So I'm working towards my upcoming ACC exam of financial management and working on this 2-bar question. I thought while I'm studying it, I better off making a quick video just for my own understanding. Do I understand the concept? And then maybe this video can help somebody. So basically, the question here is on capital asset pricing model. As you can see the question, you can read the question. It says Coldco has an equity beta of 1.15 and an asset beta of 0.85. The risk-free rate of return is 8.5 and the market return is estimated at 12.4%. The corporate tax rate is 25%. What is Cole's geared cost of equity? So the minute you see the geared cost of equity, right, it should trigger that you're only working on the equity beta. So this number up here, 0.85, you can ignore this. And in this question, we won't need corporation tax. So these are the one to distract you. So ignore on the equity cost, ignore the asset beta, and ignore the corporation tax for now. Now we come up to the real thing. Okay, to solve this question, what I did was, you can see my solution. So basically what they're saying is, in simple English, that's what my understanding is, that the risk-free rate, right, is 8.5%, which is given up here on the question. So they're saying if you put your money in the bank, you will get 8.5%. There's no risk. Okay, fine. Whereas the investors in this company who want to invest they're looking for a return of 12.4%. Okay, so the difference between what is expected by the investor versus what the risk-free rate is 3.9%. So you can take the note of that. And then when you see the beta factor basically represent how risky the colt is. So say, for example, if market risk can be analyzed as 1, colt has 1.5. So for example, if Toyota, Volkswagen, Suzuki, the companies, stock is at risk of 1, Tesla is 1.5%. So the more the riskier the company, the more the stock is volatile, more return they want. Therefore, if they want to put their money into this company called they need to compensate. So they need to compensate. They want compensation for this additional risk, which is, you can say, in the understanding, measured at 3.9%. Okay, so you will add this additional 3.9% to the beta factor, which is given in the question. That'll give you 1.5 multiplied by 3.9 is equal to 4.485. You add that to the risk-free rate. So that is the return that investors are expecting. And that's your correct answer, as you can see in here. Hope this helps somebody.